going on a hike with everybody. Say hi.
I find that I do really well with an outline, a simple outline.
Joanna, where are we going? You don't know? Nathan, where are we going?
Are we gonna walk around the lake?
Yes, but
Oh, which way do we go?
Are we going that way?
That way. A boardwalk over to the lake.
You all remember the exact, you always know it? No. I don't think I always do. Yeah. Yeah. Well, I'm leaving that. I didn't read it. Oh, sorry. I went right over there.
Coming into the woods here. Hey, Nathan.
Funny guy.
I see Mommy. There's a blue woodpecker over there.
Is it really?
At least there was. Maybe we scared it.
Oh, I see him staying. Brad is cluelessly
I heard a squirrel.
You heard a squirrel?
Oh, I see big. Jojo, you see the big bird on the bushes over there?
Yeah, or like.
Tell the squirrel because on the word camp out we saw lots of squirrels and I heard what noises
Which
they
is
were
really
making.
great. Yeah, we could use a lot more of that in our college.
Oh, that's a cute little squirrel.
Squirrel.
You're like one of those.
Joanna, what did you see?
It was a little
When you read it, he knows a lot. Yeah, exactly. He's savvy, right? So, I have a number of colleagues who will make fun of his.
Give them food, Joanna. Do you eat rocks for food?
No.
Okay. Neither do ducks.
They're more good. We just like right here. Stand by that. Hi, ducks.
You don't want to get in the mud. Just say hi, ducks.
Hi, ducks. The more ducks. I want to jump to that rock, but I probably shouldn't.
Yeah, you probably shouldn't.
Can you take his bag?
You see Jojo?
Go walk up. Go walk fast with Jojo.
Run to Jojo. Go fast.
Joanna, come down. Hey. You're not supposed to climb up there, Joanna. Joanna.
I think there was an orange fish.
You see Ducky?
Yeah. There are more duckies.
More duckies?
Yeah. I just saw.
Say quack quack.
Quack ducky. Orange. And then all the ducks are fighting. Hey ducky. Hi ducky. Hey ducky.
Nathan. Nathan, go this way. Run. We're gonna go on a hike. Run. Doing the donut falls hike. No, Nathan, no. You throwing rocks? Okay, go this way. Go get Tyler.
I see Jojo.
You see Jojo?
Yeah.
Then go run to her. Or just throw rocks. What are we looking for, Joanna?
We're looking for Chip and Dale.
Yeah, are we gonna find Chip and Dale in the woods?
Yeah.
On the hike?
Yeah. But they're so nice. But they're not talking.
They're not talking?
No. They're just little animals.
Mm-hmm. Nathan, what do you see?
I see a Wawa.
You see Wawa? Gonna go find the Wawa?
Yeah.
Are we hiking?
But you gotta look in the grass.
Gas?
Gas?
Yeah. It's a little high.
Uh-huh.
They're a little high.
Hey, Nathan, say hi.
Hi.
Nathan, what do you see?
I see,
What do you see?
I see Wawa.
You see Wawa? Yeah, there's water.
Is there water?
Whoa! That's really pretty, huh? Is Wawa?
Yeah.
Okay, should we keep going and find more?
Yeah.
Say, let's go.
Let's go.
You gonna try walking?
Joanna, let's go see the waterfall. Come on. Good job. Come on, let's go see the waterfall.
Over there. Come on, Joanna. Let's go.
There's the waterfall, the water going down.
Can we hold your hand?
Yeah. Okay, go.
Let's go.
Yeah.
Just be careful walking along here.
Yes.
I made it down the little thing there. Yeah. And now they're happy because they're throwing rocks. And they're climbing. Okay. Are you guys throwing rocks? Throw rocks? Okay, let's go find the waterfall, okay? There's different ways to go. So far I'm staying dry. So that's the sign that says don't go any further. And then here's some more of the water. And then way up at the top, there's Joe. I don't know where his skids are. Up there somewhere.
Hi.
Where are we?
We're at the Donut Falls.
The Donut Falls? Where's everybody else?
They're way up by that.
They're way high up there, huh? And where's Grandpa? Is he over there? Is this really fun?
No, I didn't bring it. Remember? Yes. They might arrest me.
Alright, one more from the middle of the falls. I made it a little farther up. Big rock right here. And then Joe and their kids are coming back down.